everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today's video is going to be all about the wedding season. So since it's the wedding season, I wanted to show you guys a couple of outfits, something a little simple, something a little grand, outfits that you can actually wear during the wedding season for different occasions. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. And before we begin with the haul, I just wanted to tell you guys that Amazon has a huge sale and all of these are at a very good discount right now, so you can purchase them. All the links will be in the description box. And now let's begin. So first up we have this top. Now again, this is actually from the western wear section, but then I picked it up to style it with a sari. So this is such a pretty pink. It's like a baby pink and this fabric is actually really pretty and it gives it a very delicate kind of a look. And here it has this kind of a design. It has like long sleeves and a little bit of puff here and a little satin lining here. So you can wear this of course on your western wear, but also you can wear it as a crop top with a lehenga or even as a blouse. At the back it has the stretch, so I think I got this in XL, but the stretch is actually pretty good. So even if you wear like 2XL or 3XL also, you can totally wear this. So this is the top that I got, which I wanted to match with a sari, but also I got a lehenga or a skirt. So this is our first outfit. So I got this skirt and I thought I'll pair these two together and then accessorize, and I think this can be worn for any of those brunch kind of occasions like sangeet or cocktail kind of events. So you can totally wear this in so many different ways, and of course the skirt can be paired with like off-white or other colors too. Since it is such a bright fuchsia pink, I thought it will be perfect for the wedding season. It makes for a very good cocktail look. I pair it up with a pearl neck piece, a choker, and then I accessorized with some more pearl jewelry, and I think it looks very beautiful for a cocktail sort of an event. And you can even pair it up with a crop top which has a little work if you're looking for something a little more grand. This is the skirt. It is very poofy, by the way. So this is the waist part and this is what it looks like on the front. So you can even wear it on like shorter crop tops, and at the back it has elastic. It's sort of neatly done, so even if you're not wearing a longer top, it'll actually look quite nice. And it is super poofy, so it doesn't have can, but the fabric here, it's a little crispy, so it does stand. You can see when I'm wearing it, you can twirl in it. It is a super poofy, big one. You can even wear can below this. I think I have one can from Amazon. I'll try and link it below. That is like a one size piece. Anybody can wear it. I'll try and link that as well. So you can even add that if you're looking for a much bigger ghera. So this one can be worn as a western skirt like I mentioned, and I was wearing it with a pink top, and you know, it's with more of a cocktail look or a day to brunch to like evening look. So it's a little crisp, but the quality is actually pretty good, and even the lining quality is really good. Here you can see that it has these pleats, so it gives it a very nice flow, and it's quite long and flowy, and it's a very beautiful skirt. It's a very versatile piece, and I think they have a lot of colors in this. I think maybe I'll get some in the next ones. But for now I thought fuchsia would be something that will go with everything. I paired the light pink top with this, and I also draped the sari with this like a dupatta. I'll show you guys that look as well, and of course you can do different drapes, or you can even wear a normal dupatta with this to wear it like a half sari. Next up we have the sari. This is the sari. It's a very beautiful georgette sari, and it has this pearl bead lace at the end throughout the sari. So when you wear it, you will see it near the pallu, you will see it at the bottom as well, and it's of a very good quality. I really like this one too. You can make it into a dress or you can wear it as a sari. So just to show you guys, I draped it on the top and it looks so gorgeous. I paired it up with a pearl neck piece, and I also wore it like a dupatta. I draped it around like a dupatta even with the skirt, just for a different look, and then you can belt it up or you can do different drapes with it. It's a very lightweight fabric. it is such a nice one for daytime look. So my anniversary is coming up, so I thought I'll wear this for that, probably for one of the events, and it's just so beautiful. So if you are a bridesmaid at a friend's wedding, then I think this will look so beautiful for one of the occasions. You can wear it for like one of the smaller occasions, a house party, or I think even for a cocktail party. I think this would look so pretty. And later on, if you're bored of wearing it as a saree, you can turn it into a dress. I think it would look so pretty. This came with a blouse. It's a plain pink fabric. You can add lining, and I think you can get this stitched in different ways, again a little bit with like ruffles or something in a trendy way. And it has a little bit of this border that you can add for your hands or on the neck. So it's there only one side. So I think it's a perfect pink to go with this, but I thought I'll get the crop top, which can also be worn with this. Look, this is great for like daytime looks. I think it will look so pretty. Next we have this kurta. This is one of those pretty basic kurtas, but it'll be great for like mehendi or like one of those smaller events again. You have a lot of events during the wedding, right? Some pujas or like smaller events. So I think it'll be great for any of those occasions. So it has all this print, and because of the gold print here, it kind of looks very grand, and it has a little flair to it. It's one of those kurtas which you can wear for simple occasions, and it comes with a mask as well that matches with it. So it's always a struggle, right? When you're heading out for one of these events, you're wearing something fancy and you would want a mask to go with it. So you can double mask it with the N95 mask and then wear this on the top. So, and I also got this velvet dupatta. Just look at this, it is so gorgeous. Reminds me of one of my velvet dresses from my childhood when they were in trend. Now again it's back. So this is like a stole, and you can even pair it with this dupatta if you want to make it a little grand. I think they would look nice together, and you can dress it up a little bit to add a little bit of that glam. So next I have this kurta that I'm wearing. This I think is again very cute and perfect for like mehendis or haldi or something like that. It has a little bit of ruffles here. You can wear it as a western wear dress or basically as a kurta, but I think because it has the silver stripes all over and because of the detailing and the flowers, I think it can be worn for a haldi event or mehendi event as well. And I thought I'll pair it up with like off-white palazzos, and I am wearing this choker, and I think I can carry like a clutch which is a little fancier or a potli bag, and I think we're good to go. And of course to add some gold shoes, and I can also add this velvet dupatta to make it look a little more grand. So you can even carry it like this. I think it can totally change the look, so it looks so grand. And because it's winter, I thought this will be a perfect addition to a wardrobe. And you can see that it's sort of that stole kind of a one. It's not too big. It's not one of those dupattas which is super long, but it can be worn like this, or it can be worn even on the side, and it totally changes the look, you guys. Lastly, we have this saree. This is one of those really fancy sarees, and at a quite affordable price. And I don't have anything in purple, so I thought this will be a good addition to my wardrobe. You can wear it with like a gold blouse, and just look at this. It looks so pretty, and look at this detailing, and the quality is actually very good. Some of these sarees, when you get them at a budget friendly price, they're usually very crisp and it gets a little difficult to drape, but this is not the case. It looks so gorgeous. Just look at this, you guys. It is so beautiful. It has these peacock detailing, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse. It looks very grand. You can get this stitched, and with this purple, I think it looks very beautiful. Or you can even wear like a gold blouse. I think even that will look great. Just look at this. So when draped, this is what it will look like. It is so grand. I think you can totally wear it for a wedding with the right accent accessories. I think it will look so beautiful. I think I may not drape this right now and show you guys because I have a whole look planned with it, but you'll definitely see a video. But if you're looking for a purple color saree, then I would definitely suggest this. I really like the quality. I've seen 2-3 others, like if you've seen my previous hauls, I really like the quality of this one better than those as well. You can see at the back there's no threads coming out and all that, so it's very nicely finished. So yeah, just have a little bit of a better look of it. This is the border, since I'm not draping it for you guys. This is the purple, which I absolutely love. So anyway, this is the inside part, I think, which comes when you're draping it here. But here you go, absolutely gorgeous. So that was it, guys. So that was everything that I wanted to show you guys in this video. I hope you guys found these useful. These turned out really good this time. Sometimes the misses and hits, but this time I think everything is really beautiful. So all of them are budget friendly. I will leave the links in the description box, and there's a sale going on, so you can grab them at this point to get a better deal. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to my Telugu channel. I have been uploading on both the channels consistently, so you will see a lot more videos coming up. And also find me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here. And now you can shop from my brand as well. It's called Priyanka Boppana official.com. I have a lot of new things coming up there as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.